Ever wish your phone could feel brand new without buying a new one? Well, if I told you there's a built-in feature that can completely transform the way your phone looks and feels, from the lock screen to icons to how your screen behaves when it's off. So in this video, I'll show you how to use Samsung themes. I will demonstrate on Galaxy S22 Ultra. And don't scroll if you're using a Tecno or Infinix or OnePlus or even iPhone. I've got tips for you too. So on Samsung phones, long press on the home screen and then tap themes. Here is themes. Or you can go to settings and then wallpaper, and from there you go to themes. Okay, so this opens up a world of free and paid designs, from minimalist icons to bold wallpapers. And yes, it works offline once downloaded. So now step 2, use the tabs. You see the tabs is themes, wallpapers, icons, AOD. You can search, I mean, I don't know if you can search by color or whatever, but here you can filter them out either for paid or free ones, because there are free ones and there are paid ones. So I usually go for the clean icon and darker wallpaper, to save battery, but feel free to explore whatever matches your vibe. So tap the one you like. So let's choose one of the free ones. Tap the one you like, assuming if I get this, all right, and here you can download it. Okay, and then when it's downloaded, you hit apply. Okay, so after you change the theme, so this is what it's looking like. So now you can go change, customize the always on display. When you go to settings, so this is settings, and you find always on display, you find lock screen and AOD here, and then you scroll down and you see where it says edit lock screen. Okay, here you can edit, you can pick from clocks, animation, or custom images. If I tap on this clock now, I can change the style. I can change it to this, or I can change it to that, or I can change it to this. You can do that from here. Okay, and you can even match it with your current theme. Okay, I personally love having the time and battery info always on, even when my screen is off. So okay, so what if you're not using Samsung? So on Tecno, Infinix, Xiaomi, and OnePlus, you can use a built-in theme via the HiOS, XOS, or MIUI theme apps. Steps are similar. You long press, and then you long press on the home screen, and you go to themes and wallpapers. You can download and apply. So for iPhone users, you can try shortcuts like wallpaper for automation, and then use focus mode to swap lock screen and home screen combos. So why this matters: you personalize your phone vibe, you improve visibility with the right color, and you reduce eye strain, save battery with that theme, and make your phone feel new again. So that's how you give your phone a fresh look: fast, fun, and free. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, or follow me on Facebook, and share it with someone whose phone needs a glow up.